The tool I'm featuring today is Canva, and specifically Canva for Education. Canva is a great tool for anyone involved in the education field. It's quick and easy to get started, and all you need to do is go to canva.com/education. You can sign up by clicking sign up and then sign in with Google. Canva is a graphic design tool that allows students to create their own images, infographics, and various design. You can use Canva for project-based learning and collaborative projects. It features drag and drop interface that works well with students of all ages. Once you sign up with your account, there are more than 250,000 templates available. Here's an example of a template within Canva. Let's look it up. Parts of speech. Students can add nouns, verbs, and adjectives to this graphic organizer. If you look on the left, there are a bunch of templates that students can customize. You can also search templates by subject area. So right here, I'm within the social studies templates. You can browse, you can narrow down your search by choosing the different category or topic filters, and there's grade level filters. There are a ton of educational video templates. Use all of your filters to narrow down your search and find something that's right for you or your students. One template I found is this quiz game presentation. It's set up in a Jeopardy style, and all of the links are already on there. So once you open this template, you can customize it based on your content. Another use for Canva is having students create their own infographics. There are a lot of ways to get started with Canva. If you navigate to the Learn tab, you'll be able to discover courses, tutorials, and a blog. Take a look at the Canva for Education tutorials or teacher and student blog. I really hope you enjoyed learning about Canva. Thank you for listening.